Hello and welcome to the Rayants Kitchen. Today I'll show you how to cook Rayants Tropical Kingfish 3 different ways. This fish is deep sea caught. It's firm and mildly marinated with tropical flavors of orange and lemon, garlics, onions, and ginger. But the beauty of this product is the ease and versatility in cooking. We've made it so easy for you to cook. Simply open the box. Has tamper-proof seals on either side. Pull out the inner liner and then choose your cooking method. You can use your microwave. You can use the oven, or you can use the stovetop. We're going to use my griddle today. Now let's get cooking. First, for the microwave. Remove the inner package and place it into the microwave. Put your power onto high and set your timer for 1 minute. At the end of 1 minute, remove the package by the edges because the fish will be hot. Turn it upside down and place it right back into the oven. And microwave for 1 additional minute. Then remove and check the internal temperature. With your probe thermometer, you're looking for 74 degrees Celsius, which is 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Allow the fish to rest for about 1 or 2 minutes. There's a little notch in the side. That makes it very easy for you to open. And remove the fish. Place it onto your plate, and there's going to be a little bit of reserve cooking liquid. Just put that right on top. Again, remove the inner package and preheat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius, which is 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Place your rack on your oven into the middle of the oven and place the fish on top of the rack. Then allow to cook for 10 minutes. At the end of 10 minutes, open, turn the fish upside down, and return to the oven for an additional 10 minutes. Then, just like we did with the microwave, pull the fish out, check the internal temperature, looking for 74 degrees, which is 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Allow it to rest for a few minutes and plate, just as we did before. I'll show you how to cook on the stovetop. On medium-high heat, take some vegetable oil and just lightly fill. Then remove the fish from the package. Just like we did before, using the notch. Pull the fish out and place it skin side up onto the hot oil. Your total cooking time on each side is going to be between 2 and 3 minutes. You're looking for browning right around the edges. As soon as you see that browning, then turn it over and continue to cook. Then, just like we did before, check the internal temperature. You're looking for 74 degrees Celsius, which is 165 degrees Fahrenheit. It's just that easy. Thank you very much for joining us today. Subscribe to our channel so you can see videos on how to cook all of our Rayants products. You can also like us on Facebook and see us on Instagram. Have a great day.